Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Payhip account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the default currency in your Payhip store? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the currency in your Payhip account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, but you're targeting a different country now, you want to be sure to update your currency preference. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Payhip dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Payhip account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update the default currency in your Payhip store, click on Account here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down mode, and you want to click here on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you'll see this blue menu here across the top, and you want to click here on Payment Details. All right, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this section, Your Default Currency. You can see mine's in US dollars, but you can go ahead and click on it, and you can see all of the different currencies you can change it up to. So let's see, maybe we'll do COP. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and click on Save Settings. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see our default currency is now in COP. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the default currency in your Payhip account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.